Hello student, now we are going to solve a C program. It is very simple problem. Actually, we want to learn total C programming language step by step in a easy way. C program 5, problem 5. Our program is write a program to convert temperature in Fahrenheit to centigrade using the formula C equal to 5 by 9 within bracket F minus 32. Okay, first we write the comments line or title of the program. For a good program, we write comments line, but it is not compulsory. It is optional. It is non-executable, not affect the program for running the program. We write the comments line in this manner: /**, then write the name of the program to convert temperature from Fahrenheit to degree centigrade, */. Okay, now we add two header file stdio.h and conio.h. Hatch include within bracket stdio.h, hatch include within bracket conio.h. Here all are small letter. For normal program, we always add these two header file. Next, when as per program requirement, we can add other header file. When necessary, we add other header file. Now we always maintain a proforma, or structure for writing a C program. First, we write void main. This is empty pair of parentheses. Void main, write void main is the main function of C program. we can write only main. We can write only main. Okay. Next, the block. This is the block begins. This is the block end. Within block begins and block end, in this part we write function and statement. Okay. Here two variable, F temperature in Fahrenheit, C temperature in centigrade. Let F and C floating point or real number variable. It has decimal part. We declare two floating variable F and C float in small letter F, LOAT float, F, comma, C, semicolon. Here semicolon. Okay. Now we can write CLR SCR function. This function used for clear the skin. Program shows from first line of the skin. It is also optional. Okay. Next we write printf within bracket quotation, within quotation write this message /n degree Fahrenheit জিজ্ঞাসা চিহ্ন. Okay. Here printf function only display this message. Okay. /n/end font/n create new line when display this message. Okay. Next, scanf within bracket within quotation %f comma ampersand f bracket শেষ semicolon. By scanf function we input value of variable from keyboard when run the program. Okay. Scanf, this is called format string for floating variable. We use %f. Floating variable we use %f. For integer variable we use %d. This symbol, this is ampersand, represent memory address. Okay. Now we write the formula for convert temperature from Fahrenheit to centigrade. Okay, we write the formula C equal to 5.0 slash 9.0 asterisk within bracket f minus 32. This is the formula in algebra expression. We write in this way, but in C program we write C equal to 5.0 by 5.0. This is floating point number. This is floating point number. Floating point number by floating point number give the real result. If we write 5 by 9, result will be 0. Okay. So we write in this way 5.0 real number, floating number by 9.0, and also in this place we use symbol into multiplication symbol, then bracket f minus 32. This is semicolon. Okay, now output printf within bracket within quotation slash n degree centigrade equal to percentage 4.2 f quotation end comma C bracket end semicolon. This slash n means create new line. Okay, no matter. This is first display this message. First display this message full up to this. Next, this is format string percentage 4.2f. We can write percentage f, f for floating variable, float variable. What is the meaning of 4.2? Here format print total with 4 and number of decimal part, number of decimal digit 2. It show after point 2 digit. Okay. At last we always use getcha function. Okay. Getcha function hold the output on the screen. Next, block end. This is block end. Now we run the program. Before run the program, we first type the program, type whole program without any mistake. We check comma and semicolon in this place. In every line there is semicolon. In every line there is a semicolon. Do not mistake. If any mistake show error, then correct this. First we compile the program. After compile, if it show any mistake, then again we correct the program. Next, run the program. Now click on project, click on compile. Compile the program. It show there is no error. OK. Click on OK. Next, click on debug. Click on run. Run the program. Next, it show degree Fahrenheit. We put the value of degree in Fahrenheit. Here we put 140 in Fahrenheit. After 140, enter result. This is the result. Degree centigrade equal to 60. Okay. Again we run the program. Click on debug. Click on run. It takes some times. Then degree Fahrenheit, we put degree in Fahrenheit 245. Okay. Enter. The result, degree in centigrade equal to 118.33. Here only show decimal part after point 2 digit. Okay. It is clear, my student. Thank you.